Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you. Today we will continue our lesson on the heights and distance in trigonometry. So my boy will read out the question there.
A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal.
Just 1 minute. Here we have a canal, and on one of its banks stands a TV tower. For example, this AB, this A is one bank, a point on one bank of the canal, and on this bank we have a TV tower. For example, its height is CD or BC. So, friends, so far as this part of information is concerned, we have a TV tower which stands on one bank of a canal, and on the other bank we have a point of observation. Come on.
From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees.
This point is directly opposite to the tower, and if from this point we will look at the top of the tower, the angle so made is 60.
From another point 20 meters away from this point on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal.
And if we move further away from the bank of this canal, just in a straight line, and from a point, for example, this point is D, and this point D, this place is 20 meters away from this point on the other bank of the canal, and if we look from here, from this point towards the top of the tower, the angle so formed is 30 degree. So, जब हमने इस इंफॉर्मेशन को बोर्ड पर उतारा तो we get two right angle triangles. One is ABC, another is DBC. So far as this AB is concerned, in the question it is the width of the canal, and this AD is a 20 meter distance away from this bank of the canal. What we have to find?
Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal.
And we have to find height of the tower, that is BC. In triangle we have to find BC and also AB, which is the width of the canal. So two things we have to find here. Let us work out. First of all, we will summarize the situation just like this. Let BC is the height of tower. Height of tower. AB is the width of canal. And D is a point away from A. D is another point, another place, or we should say away from bank A. Now, first I will tell you boys, this BC, which is opposite to this angle and also to this angle, this is the common side of both the right angled triangles. triangle, it is side opposite to given angles, and this BD is side adjacent to these given angles. And also a part of this BD side is given that is 20 meters. So far as BC is concerned, it is the common opposite side to both the angles. So we will take help from this point. In triangle ABC, yes, ABC, since we have to find this BC as well as AB, first of all we will try to find this BC. That means the side opposite to the given angle. If this is the side opposite to given angle and this is the adjacent side, we will take tan ratio of angle 60. Tan of 60 degree is equal to BC divided by AB, and tan of 60 is root 3. Tan of the value of tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to BC divided by AB, or a slight transposition we will get root 3 into AB is equal to BC. We will mark this equation as first because we have to use it later. Now we will proceed further. We will now take this bigger right angular triangle, that is BDC. In triangle BDC, here again you see BDC is BDC. You see this BC is opposite side to this 30 degree angle, and BD is adjacent side to this angle. So once again we will use tan ratio. Tan of 30 degree is equal to BC divided by BD. Tan of 30 is root 3. 1 by root 3, sorry. 1 by root 3 is equal to BC. We don't know its value, numerical value, I mean to say, divided by BD. A little bit of transposition we will get 1 by root of 3 into BD is equal to BC. We will mark this as second equation. Now if you keenly see, you can see that both these quantities, root 3 and AB, are 1 by root 3 into BD. These are both equal to BC. So from first equation and second equation, we can conclude that root 3 AB is equal to 1 by root 3 of BD. So from equations first and second, root 3 AB is equal to 1 by root 3 BD. Or this root 3 will be transposed, it will come here and it will get multiplied by this root 3. So we will get root 3 into root 3 is 3AB is equal to BD. But if you see here in the figure, this BD is divided into two parts, AD and AB. So in this equation we will write 3 times AB is equal to, instead of BD, I will write DA plus AB. DA plus AB. DA was the distance between a point on the bank and the other which was a bit away from that point at a distance of 20 meters. So 3 times AB is equal to DA. DA is 20 meters plus AB. Transposition, we will get 3 times AB minus AB is 20 meters. 3 times AB minus 1 times AB, and that means 3AB minus 1AB, we will get 2AB is equal to 20 meters, or AB is 20 meters by 2, that is 10 meters. But in question, AB was the width of the canal, so we have succeeded in finding the width of the canal, and it is 10 meters. It is 10 meters. Now we can easily find the height of the tower. Either we will substitute the value of this AB in second equation or in first equation. Let us substitute this in second equation. No, in first equation, sorry. The first equation was perhaps just 1 minute. The first equation was root 3 into AB is equal to BC. This was our first equation. So here we can substitute root 3 into AB. AB is 10 meters is equal to BC, or BC is equal to 10 into root 3 meters. So we have found both. Number 1, the width of the canal, that is 10 meters. We will write it here. Width of canal is equal to 10 meters, and height of tower that came to be equal to 10 root 3 meters. Friends, this was today's question. Thank you. If you have any query about the lesson, you may please come to comment box. Thank you.